Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Olorunwa. I made videos on how to make money online, dollar arbitrage, crypto arbitrage, spiritual tips and general graphics. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so in order to be updated whenever I release video concerning all this. Today's video is how to make money online. Okay guys, today is today is 14 April 2023. Okay, and this investments that I will teach you now is live, and you will be seeing your investment growing every day. Just follow me, I will explain in details for you. You can invest with just 2,000 naira, and then you will see how your money is growing. Okay, now by and large, how can you make money with this site? Okay, for starting, you have advantage of investing 2,000 naira or 5,000 naira or 15,000 naira. Okay, with this investment you will be paying salary per hours. Okay, you will be paying salary per hours. Okay guys, so for instance, now if you want to make, okay, let me come down to this area. As you can see here, can you see that now? So the 2,000 naira investment, so you can see that is VIP 1. Okay, this 2,000 naira investment, now per hour you are getting 5.2 per hour. Every hour you will be seeing your money will be increasing with what? 5.2 daily. That is 24 hours. 24 hours you will get what? You will be seeing 125. Can you see it? You can trace it like that. So 125 for monthly, you are going to see 3,750. Annually you will see 45,000, and that is the money you are going to receive. Okay, so the second investment is 5,000, which is what? VIP 2. So per hours you are going to see 11.57 every hour. That is how you will be seeing it. Daily income, that is 278 approximation. So monthly income, you receive 8,333 naira, and then annually you receive 100k with your 5,000 naira. So VIP 3 is 15,000 naira. You are going to receive per hour 31.25. so daily you are going to receive 750 every week. 750, I mean every week is every day, that daily 750, and then monthly you are going to receive 22,500. so that 750 in a week. You are going to receive 5,250. so, and then annually you are going to receive 270,000. Okay, so this first 3 is the one that you can do for now. As long as you have been referring people, if you are referring just 10 people, you can start investing from 4 to 10. Okay guys, you can start from 4 to 10. So that is how this investment goes. Okay guys, so the next one is that, let me teach you, the investment is up to 10 investments. Okay, so you have seen that. The name of this site is WeWork. Okay, the name of this site is WeWork. Let me go back to home so you can see it. Let me go back to home. So the name of this site is WeWork. Okay, so how can you register with this site now? How you can register with this site is, you only need to register with your phone number. Okay, you only need to register with your phone number. So I will go back now to my link so that you will be able to see exactly what I'm saying. Okay, because okay, just follow the link. I'm going to send the link down to under this video, so you follow the link and you will do the registration with your phone number. Okay guys, so that is what to do. What exactly you needed is that your phone number, and also you set up your login password and withdraw password. You will also need to add your bank account on this site. Okay, you need to add your bank account on this site. So how can you deposit? How you can deposit? So look at this area. Look at this area. Can you see this place? That is what we call recharge. Recharge, it means deposit. Okay, immediately you click on this recharge. Can you see? So you can see now, this is my second number, the one I just opened today by around that 4 no, that 3 o'clock. So I use 2,000 naira investment. You can see now it's growing. The investment is growing up gradually. Okay, the investment is growing up gradually, and then you can withdraw anytime. I'm going to that place also. So if you come to this recharge, now, you now go to global pay. Do you see this? That is, I said global pay. That is where you will go in order to deposit money, to invest in this thing. Let me click on it. Can you see now? Recharge amount. You have to click this area, and then you will input the amount you want to recharge. Let's assume that you want to recharge 15,000. Do you see that now? So USDT, that is 20.38. So you make sure that you check this area. You make sure you check this area. Do you see that? You have to check it. Do you see that? So you now click on recharge now. Okay guys, so you just click on recharge now. So you have to wait for this to update. Okay, as you can see here now, do you see it now? What exactly you need is to copy this account number. Okay, account number is OPay. Okay, so you copy this account number, you go and pay. You can see this thing is running now. You now go to your bank app to pay this money. Immediately you pay this money, you come back to this area again. You now enter the remittance bank account, your bank account that you use to send money to this OPay. Do you hope you understand now? So the bank account you use to send money to this OPay, you put it here, and then enter the sender name, your name, the name you are bearing on your account number, you put it here. So you now press submit. Immediately you submit, you will be updated. Immediately you will be updated on your WhatsApp. Immediately, within seconds, you will be updated, and your account will be what? Recharge. Your account will recharge. Okay, and then you see the money will appear here. The money will appear here. So immediately the money appear, the next thing to do is to come to this device. Do you see that device? So what you need to do is to just click on device. So you can see all these VIP. So you now come to, let's say you sent 15,000. You come to this area. You come to this area. Do you see it now? Just click join. That is the end. And then immediately you click the join, the money will be automatically, so you have purchased VIP 3. Okay, if you purchase VIP 1, is the same thing. Okay, if you purchase VIP 1, you just have to come here and click. You just have to join. Okay, do you see it now? It's because I'm using VIP1. You can see me, I've already joined. You can see the 2,000 naira I paid there. Okay, so you can see the profit per hour, that is 5.20. Every hour you will be updating, your money will be increasing, you will be increasing. Daily you will see it, monthly you will see it like that. Okay, so that is how to deposit. That is all about the deposit. So any amount you deposit, within a seconds your account will be credited and you will now use it to buy VIP. I hope I have explained that one for you. So aside from that, how to withdraw. So how can you withdraw? Let me teach you that one quickly. Okay, let me teach you that one. How can you withdraw? Can you see the withdrawal here? This is withdrawal. It's very simple. I told you that immediately you open your account, what you need to do is to set up your account number. Place your account number there. So if you want to withdraw now, you just have to come down to this area, and don't forget that I said you will set up your payment password. So just put your password there and send submit. Automatically the money will be sent to the account number you added to this platform, this site. Okay, and then it contain, you can add many banks. Opay is there, First Bank, Guarantee Bank, any bank, all the banks are there. So you have to select it, and you can also add 2 bank or 3 banks to it. Okay, so this is where immediately you put the login password, press submit. Immediately you press submit, automatically you will receive your money. By and large, if you receive your money, you will now go to the WhatsApp and send that you have withdraw your money, your first withdrawal or your second withdrawal. So by saying that and you add your phone number to it, immediately you will be given 10 naira bonus, 15 naira bonus. Okay, so if you want to get more bonus, you can also invite people, refer people. By the time you are referring people, you will be swimming in money, because all the money, if you refer people that deposit 5,000 naira, so you will be giving 500 naira each person you deposit, you invited. Okay, so if you invite more people, you now have more qualification on other VIP. So you can, if you have 10 referral, you can invest in 4, 5, 6. Okay, other one like that. So let me go back to home to show you. Okay, this is the profit. So this is exactly what I'm saying now. If this area now to this place, if you refer 10 people, you'll be qualified to this one. You will qualify to this and invest. But for starting, without referral, you are eligible to VIP1 or VIP2 or VIP3. It's working perfectly now. So I have, in fact, I have three account that I register, but me, I'm calculating it immediately. It's up to 6 months now, because this size started from March. Okay, immediately it's 6 months now, or even though just 2 months, I will receive all my money, and the profit, I will just focus on profit. So don't invest, okay, on this platform. Okay, don't over invest, because if you do that, no one know what can happen tomorrow. Okay, so just invest wisely. Okay guys, so that is why I brought this for you. And then my group, I will just drop this video on my group on WhatsApp. After 2 weeks, I will release it to my YouTube channel. So if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Peace.